Wonderful friends. How are you today? Now, we are going to talk about the tools I recommend for cleaning your oven grates or your barbecue grates. Why am I talking about this? Because we're getting ready for the long holiday weekend next week. We've got Memorial Day coming up. And what do we do on Memorial Day? We have friends and family over. We've got our barbecue grills out. We're cooking. We're cooking those brats. That cheeseburger. Oh, that cheeseburger I'm craving with the mushrooms on top of it. Oh my goodness, my favorite cheeseburger on the Kaiser roll. Okay, don't get me started on that. But that's what I'm going for this weekend. And so now is the time. Because come Monday, we're going to want to use our barbecues. We want to get everything clean so that food just tastes so delicious. Oh, now who am I? I am Deb. I am your home consultant. Not only do I talk about decluttering, organizing, throwing parties, entertaining tips. Ask me anything about the household. That is my specialty. That is what I love. That is what I have over 10,000 hours where I've been a stay-at-home mom and discovered all these hacks. I had no choice. I had to come up with cleaning hacks, budgeting hacks, food hacks, organizing. I had to come up with all that because my husband was unemployed 3 times in 2 years. So now today, I am experimenting. This is an oven grate that hasn't been cleaned in years. Years. And for those of you that rent, you know what I'm talking about. You get in a new place and you're looking at it going, oh my goodness, have I got my work cut out for me? So I've got this grate from a client of mine. And what I am doing is I am experimenting with the cleaners, the various different cleaners, the various different tools. And I went through this in my group. We talked about this in depth about cleaning the kitchen grates, oven grates, and the barbecue grates. I am experimenting. I am trying it because you don't have the time to be sitting there saying, okay, how do I know what works and what doesn't work? I've got to get this done. I don't want my food being cooked on. This, as you can see, is some's clean, some's not. There's a clean spot here, but the rest is having a hard time coming off. So how can you literally get off years and years of grease? Well, we're going to find out. Now, so far, and I will be talking more of this on Thursday in my group because I'm still doing some more experiments with more products and stuff to make your life easier. You don't have that time, like I said, to be doing all this. Let me do it. That is what I'm here for. My grates at home, I keep them up. I don't really have a problem with it. And mine just comes off easily. Now, what I have discovered, which I don't have in front of me, there's 2 tools I like. The one tool I have, or I don't have, because I threw mine out last year, is the wire brush. Yes, I said the wire brush. I would hope, which I'm going to need to go buy myself a new one, that it's going to help me take off years of this gunk. By itself, maybe not. That is where I am experimenting with the different cleaning products to see what will take off years and years of gunk that is stuck on. Trust me, some of this already came off. At least I could touch it and you could see I'm not getting greasy or anything with it anymore. It was bad. That's the one tool I highly recommend. Now, for those of you that want it, I'm offering you a free 15-minute home consultation. Whether you want to talk about your cleaning needs, your decluttering needs, organizing, whether you need to get motivated to get the job done, DM me and write help, and I will gladly respond to you. We'll get you rocking and rolling and getting you started, because there's no better feeling when you're in control of something and you're on your way to progress. Trust me. Now, the second tool that I find very, very helpful is what the copper, I don't even know what you call this. Copper, it's wire copper, or you could get the stainless steel one, which is silver. Now, is this working alone by itself on this thing with the real bad parts? No. No, I'm having a real hard time with it, as you could tell. Like I said, this is years of baked on grease. But does it work? Oh, it looked really well. In fact, you could tell. Look at all here. Look at all I've done. Look at the middle bar. How nice and shiny it is. Did it work with the help of a cleaner? Yes. Can you do it by yourself dry? Yes. You could see the difference in the grate. The ends here are dark. You could see that. Those are the ones that are not done. You could see the silver grace of where it did work. And now remember, this was years of caked on grease. I am not kidding you. And this is how far I got. Why the ends are more stubborn? Probably because they're thicker and bigger and they got baked on more. Because maybe at some point, the inner grates or the inner bars were cleaned. They were cleaned maybe once in a while or every so many years. I don't know. Like I said, this is not mine. So, hop in my group if you want to find out the rest of the experiment with this and what works and doesn't work. But now you got my two tools that really work on this, and you know it will save you time. Now, you do need some elbow grease with this. I'm not going to lie to you. You are going to have to scrub. And actually, this gives you good strength training. Straightens up your hand, let me tell you. So it really works well. Those are my two tools that I recommend for cleaning the grates. Hashtag replay. Let me know if you're watching the video, and let me know how often you clean your grates and what you clean them with. Like I said, I'm experimenting with the cleaning products, but we're not talking about the cleaning products right now. We're talking about the tools I'm using. And it will be continued more on Thursday because I'm doing more experiments. That was my whole idea, because we want to make your life easier, simpler. We want to get you motivated. And then once it's clean, it's done. And then all you have to do is keep it up so it doesn't get this way again. And you are rocking and rolling on a way to a delicious barbecue rib dinner. Ladies, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you found this useful, and I hope I see you in my group. Remember, if you want the home consultation, get on my DM and say help. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.